Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will study the installation of Express and Handlebars installation. Handlebars is the view engine for Express. So let us go to the DSU folder which we have created under the D colon. Right click here. Open the Visual Studio Code. So you close this welcome screen. It is in the DSU folder. Next, go to this terminal, new terminal. And what we got is a PowerShell. So, but we want the default MS-DOS shell. How to change to MS-DOS shell? Come here and go to select default shell. Select this command prompt. So exit out of this PowerShell like this. Next, open the new terminal and then new terminal. So now we are in the MS-DOS prompt. This is DSU. Here you give a command like this: npm install Express. So this will install Express. So please note that your internet should be on when you are installing Express. So installation of Express is finished. Now issue a command npm install HBS. So this is also completed. Now it creates a folder called as node modules here. So this is the these are the node modules available now in this project. Now click here. So now note that this node modules folder is selected. So you have to come here outside this and then click here. Next, you have to open a file called as test.js. New file here, test.js. So please note that this test.js should be in the DSU folder directly. It should not be inside this node modules folder. Next, type here express equal to, require express HBS equal to require HBS. So here Express and HBS are the node modules. Then give one console.log testing. Okay. Then come to this MS-DOS prompt. First save this. Then come here to this MS-DOS prompt and check node test.js. So it's giving output as testing. So which it indicates that this Express and HBS are installed properly. Thank you.